Most people think you need Albert Genius to unlock higher cash advances. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your cash advance limit is not controlled only by a subscription. It is mostly controlled by your financial behavior, account activity, and bank signals. In this video, you'll learn how to increase your cash advance limit on Albert in 2026 without paying for Genius, using simple and realistic steps that actually work. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how cash advance limits work. Albert looks at your income patterns, spending behavior, and bank account activity. It then decides how much risk it can take when giving you a cash advance. So if your activity looks stable, your limit can increase over time. Now here's where it gets interesting. Someone like Alex might start with a small cash advance limit, but after consistent deposits from his paycheck and regular account usage, Albert slowly increases his limit without any subscription upgrade. But here's the problem most users miss. If your account looks unstable, your limit will stay low. That includes frequent overdrafts, inconsistent deposits, or sudden large withdrawals. These signal financial risk to the system. Now let's talk about the first real method to increase your limit. Use your Albert account regularly. This means letting your income flow through the connected bank account instead of only adding it occasionally. Consistency builds trust in the system. Second, maintain steady deposits. If your paycheck or income arrives regularly, make sure it is directly linked and not split across multiple accounts. Stability matters more than amount. Now here's where it gets interesting. Spending behavior also plays a role. If you constantly drain your account to zero, the system may assume higher risk. But if you maintain a small balance and show controlled spending, your profile looks healthier. Let's take Jake as an example. Jake used to empty his account every week, and his limit stayed low. But after keeping a small buffer balance and reducing random spending spikes, his cash advance limit gradually increased. Another important factor is repayment behavior. If you ever take a cash advance, paying it back on time or early improves your trust score inside the system. Late or missed repayments will reduce your future limits. Now let's clear a major myth. Paying for Genius does not automatically unlock higher cash advances. It may give insights or tools, but the limit increase still depends on financial behavior. To wrap it up, increasing your cash advance limit in 2026 without Genius is completely possible. You just need 3 things: stable income flow, consistent account activity, and responsible spending behavior. When these improve, your limit naturally grows over time. If this helped you understand how it really works, hit like, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear finance breakdowns like this.